It'll probably take years for us to fully grasp how this pandemic that we're living in has changed our world. And you can bet our healthcare systems will see changes and lessons learned as well. But a new analysis found that we might not have nurses in place to actually implement them. Our Liz Crawford breaks down a report that predicts Florida will be short nearly 60,000 nurses by the year 2035.
There's been a nursing shortage in Florida for years. There's one right now, and the one we have yet to face could be catastrophic.
My biggest fear is that we're going to see the healthcare industry not be able to keep up with the demand.
A new report found that 14 years from now, Florida will lack 59,100 nurses. The authors came up with the data based on demographics and industry trends.
This has been going on for decades, but what is new right now with the pandemic is that the pandemic is putting a spotlight on some of these issues and problems, and the pandemic is exacerbating these problems.
Florida's population is growing and aging. It's also important to understand the demands of being a nurse, the stress, patient load, and
we work around the clock. We work weekends, we work holidays, we work night shifts. And that shift work can put a physical toll on our bodies.
The report lays out specific action items to deal with the shortage, including the need for more nursing programs and better working conditions.
The nurses of 2035 are in kindergarten today. How do we convince them this is the job for them?
I think we have a lot of work to do to promote nursing in the media as a STEM profession. You know, smart, educated people.
The backbone of our healthcare system. Tracy Hammett, who graduates in December, will soon find out what it takes.
Have a job that is really rewarding and being able to go to work every day, making an impact in somebody's life.
Some states have actually brought in the National Guard to help with the current shortage. Last month, members were deployed to 3 Indiana hospitals. New York's governor said she's ready to deploy the National Guard if the state's new vaccine requirement leads to a staffing crisis there. We reached out to Governor DeSantis to see if there's any plans here in Florida to do the same, but we're still waiting to hear back from him.